y'all? This is Carlos, and we're right here in Firewheel Mall. Yeah, what's up? And today we're gonna play a prank on people. Put caca on $1. Let's go.
Oh.
Ew. Stop her. Oh, she's picking it up. Oh, she's taking it. Yeah. Oh, she took it. Oh, fuck.
Wait, really?
Fuck. She took it. Fuck.
What did she do? Did she just put it in her pocket?
Oh my gosh, they dropped it. They dropped it. Oh shit. That's my nigga Harrison. He picked it up. He picked it. Oh my god. Oh. Ew, he took it. Oh my, ew. The little kid has it. My nigga Harrison. Oh, he's wiping the shit. Update. Somebody took my caca $1.
Oh my god.
Update. We just moved the $1 to Macy's now because of security reasons. Macy's. What? Oh my gosh. I feel so bad. Oh my. Oh. Are they smart enough? Oh my gosh. Here's another one. Another one. Oh my god. Oh. Oh my gosh. Oh, they dropped it. Sucker. Oh my gosh. Oh, they're not grabbing it.
It's not flying away, right?
Yeah.
No.
Oh my god. She picked it up. She dropped it. She dropped it. Oh my gosh. Ooh. She gonna pick it up? She gonna pick. Oh, she's picking it. Oh. This nigga asked for it.
Well, again. We've recorded them before.
What the fuck?
Can you pick it up?
No.